How to transfer WhatsApp chats from iPhone to Android. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, simply go ahead and open up your WhatsApp application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, you'll have to make sure that you're signed into your account. Now once you are signed into your WhatsApp account, you want to go ahead and simply tap on the settings icon at the bottom right corner. And once you are inside settings, scroll below and then you'll find an option that says move chats to Android. Simply tap onto it. Now simply from here tap on start. Now as soon as you do so, you'll be able to land in this kind of interface. Once you land in this interface, simply go ahead and download WhatsApp on your Android device. And once you do that, simply enter the same phone number that you have entered in this iPhone. And once you're signed in, simply restore your chat history and media. And once you do that, your Android device will let you know when you can disconnect the cable. And with that, you'll be able to transfer WhatsApp chats from iPhone to Android. And that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. And stay tuned until our next upload.